Introducing the 2022 Audi Q3. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. All of the premium features expected of an Audi are offered, including leather upholstery, a tachometer, a power seat, heated seats, automatic temperature control, rain-sensing wipers, and a split folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.